This is my Zippo lighter collection. Starts off with, this is a real cool lighter. It's my most expensive lighter, the armor case. Then Jim Beam underneath that. All these ones in this row, the metal comes out from the lighter. It's really cool lighters. All this row here is one that metal comes out. The second row is like skulls. All that kind of skulls and what are those called? Come out of the ground. This row is all rock and roll. Elvis, ZZ Top, Woodstock, AC/DC, Journey, Wild Cherry, Rolling Stones, Feeling Groovy, Rolling Stones again. This row is like miscellaneous gun type stuff, so I put John Wayne in the same row. There's a lot of John Waynes. There's only one duplicate. It's that one right there. But they're all pretty cool. This row is just miscellaneous everything. Alice in Wonderland. I Love You to the Moon. Peace. Oh, well, it's miscellaneous, so I put bullets, and I had to find other places. Some rows are nothing but the subject they are. This row is all like pretty stuff, I thought. Kinda. Yeah, it's miscellaneous row too. The next row, these are all my marijuana ones down at the bottom. The next row is all my Playboy related. It's two rows. You could see this thing and this thing. This thing and this thing. I think they sell more Playboys than anything, so that's why I have so many. I just like to get every one I can, no matter what subject it is. The next row is the Zippo row. I have a duplicate right here. This Zippo, that Zippo. The guy holding a Zippo lighter at a concert. Zippo. That's a cool Zippo. It sticks out of the metal, but I didn't put it in the first row. And then I got down into Indian stuff and gambling. The gambling starts with that right there. Cards. Red Hawk Casino. Big money thing. I think that's related to gambling. There's cards again. Everything is cards gambling, seems like. There's some Asian writing. I don't know what that means, but I think the luck of the Irish right there. Then we got Harley Davidson row. That's first one. Harley Davidson. There's a Harley Davidson. That one sticks out of the metal, but it didn't go in the first row. That's a Harley Davidson. It's real hard to see, though. But it's etched in there. It's real pretty. That one's really beautiful. Then I guess I had to put ET in a bunch of other things because, oh, it all starts doing the Indian stuff now. Indian. And this last row is the alcohol row. Jack Daniels, Milwaukee, Jack Daniels, Jim Beam. No, I don't know. But it keeps going on with different alcohols. A lot of Jack Daniels. Guinness. Guinness again. I guess they're popular. There's a guy, a skeleton guy, holding a thing of beer. And there's another beer. And that's it. It ends with the Jack Daniels again. Oh, and here's some guitars.